BB's strapped into her stroller.
Uh-oh.
Yay! Wee, wee, wee. Oh no, what's wrong with BB? BB, are you okay? Wee, wee, wee. Oh, BB wants to be held. Wee, 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 wee. Should you hold BB? She's scared. Yeah.
Baby wanna go sleep?
Can you give her a kiss?
No.
It'll make her feel better. Wee, 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 wee.
I think baby need to go sleep.
You want to take her out? Oh, you're going to check her diaper?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, how about the bottom? That's where she peed. That's not a diaper. Look.
Dash?
And the bottom. Oh, she's dry. She just wants a hug. Can you give her a hug?
Oh, hi.
Wee, wee, wee. Oh.
House.
Ow, you gotta be gentle.
House.
Oh, your baby's calling for you. Wee, 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 wee. Oh no. Maybe she wants to ride in the stroller. Wee, wee, wee.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay.
Good job, baby. Did she hungry? Did she eat? The baby eat?